Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by enabling the Google Sheets API and creating a service account. This gives you programmatic access. Once done, download the JSON key and keep it secure because you will use it for authentication. Next, open the target Google Sheet and share it with the service account email as editor so the API can read and write. Make sure your environment has Python or Node installed and the relevant client library. This starts the connection process immediately. Now you authenticate in code, load the JSON key, and create credentials using the client library. Once authenticated, build the Sheet service object and reference the spreadsheet ID and specific range you will target for reads or writes. Create the request body as rows or a value range, then call values. Update or values. Append depending on whether you replace or append. Make sure to set value input option appropriately. This controls how the API interprets the cell values. Finish by running a simple test. Write a single cell and confirm the sheet updates. Once done, expand to batch updates or read loops. If things go wrong, check the service account sharing, OAuth scopes, and that the spreadsheet ID is correct. These are the usual culprits. Make sure network and quota limits aren't blocking requests. Adjust retry logic or permission scopes as needed. If you still see errors, inspect the API error code and message to target the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.